So this is what you're getting in the Mini 5 Pro bag. It's a brand new bag. I really like the design of this bag. Super sturdy. And the way that they've separated the compartments now is just so much better than previous models. Like the drone just sits flat like that. There's a fair bit of space on top to fit some other stuff. You've got a huge compartment for the battery, charging hub, another whole compartment here, and then I've got the controller. So a lot of the time I'll put in here like another camera system. I might put in a microphone for my kind of scenario, but super well designed this time, which is nice. This is the controller that I got in my kit here, which is the RC2. Nice controller. We have seen that now many a times, so nothing too exciting and fresh. But this is the Mini 5 Pro here. You can see it's got quite a unique gimbal cover system this time, so it actually protects underneath. On top it protects all the sensors actually, which is really nice. It protects those front obstacle avoidance sensors, protects that huge 1-inch camera sensor on the front there, and yeah, holds all the propellers in nicely. So what's nice about the Mini 5 Pro is when you unfold it, if there's a battery in there, it will automatically power on. Batteries just slot in nice and easy. Might even power it on now. Yep, there you go. Straight when a battery goes in, it powers on the unit as well, which we can see there. So really nice camera system on the front there. So that's the Mini 5 Pro, that's the controller, that's that little gimbal cover, and then we've got the charging hub as well. Really nice like new color palette this time from DJI. I'll just move this across so we can see it all properly. So there's the drone, that's that. So that's the main kind of kit. We'll just move that off to one side so you can see the main pieces that you're getting there. Like I showed you, the bag's super nice, and on top of that I'll just open this up off screen so we can have a look at some of the other things we get in here, because it does come with a lot, right? Comes with all the propellers, got some paperwork here, some stickers. We've literally got a filter kit as well, ND filter kit, which is very nicely presented, as you can see. We've got a cable, USB-C to USB-C, and that's yeah, that's it. That's it in the bag. But really nice kit, and this drone, I've been very impressed with that 1-inch sensor on the front there. All the obstacle avoidance sensors. We've got LiDAR sensors now. Yeah, this is a beast of a mini drone, and that's what you can expect in the Fly More combo. It does come with quite a lot, as you can see. Just spread it all out so you can see what you get. But it is a nice kit. I've been quite impressed with what we're getting here, and the drone is like just so cool to actually be able to have a 1-inch sensor on a mini drone like this. It's so cool. Love it. There we go. That's the Mini 5 Pro.